Psychology tips you should know. If you think someone doesn't like you, give them good news about yourself. Watch if their eyes don't squint when they smile. If someone is rude to you for no reason, don't take it personal. Know that they hate themselves. Their behavior reflects the relationships they have with themselves. When someone is yelling at you, don't yell back. Keep your cool. Their rage will later lead to guilt. Guilt will lead to apology. If someone is gaslighting you, look them straight in the eyes with no emotions, no words. Keep doing that. They'll eventually give up. People are most likely to accept your ideas if they believe they thought of them themselves. So rather than directly stating what you think, try to lead them to the conclusion subtly. If someone is speaking too quickly or you need time to think, stay silent for a moment. After they stop speaking, they'll likely fill the silence for clarification. When you want to learn something new,